So I am still on my European tour, and today I am in Scotland, and we are in Augustus, which is where the Loch Ness is, or where we can catch a boat to cruise the Loch Ness. I learned 3 new words today that are used in Scotland. First of all, there is the loch, not pronounced loch, but rather loch, loch. So there are several lochs, and today we went down Loch Ness, and we stopped at Loch Lomond. Today we stopped at Loch Lomond, and there are apparently 31,000 lochs in Scotland. The next word I learned today was glen, and glen is the word they use for valley. And another word was clan. Now we all know what a clan is, but the word clan actually means the child or the family. So we've all heard of multiple clans and a whole bunch of infighting between clans. And there was one particular clans, or 2 particular clans, that had a huge feud that still lingers today, and that is Clan Campbell and Clan Mcdonald. Clan Campbell were commissioned to slaughter all the members of Clan Mcdonald because they would not fall in line behind the presumed king, and so they ingratiated themselves with the Clan Mcdonald, and then in their sleep on one cold blizzard night they slaughtered all of Clan Mcdonald. And so to this day, since the 1600s, there is bad blood. We passed I think it was a restaurant and hotel, where there was a sign that said no Campbells are welcome. Now Jamaicans can trace their heritage back to Scotland, I have read, and we have a lot of Campbells and a lot of McDonald's in Jamaica. So it was very unfortunate to learn that these were warring clans, and that the Campbell clan is still hated today because of their pre-dawn slaughter of the McDonald clan. And the third word I learned, I forgot to mention that one. The third word was actually loch. Loch actually is the word for lake here. So we're at the Loch Ness, which is the Lake Ness. We were at Loch Lomond, and that was Lake Lomond. So no one here in Scotland, at least where I've been, speaks the Scottish Gaelic or Gaelic. No one speaks the language. The language is written on many signs, as with the Irish Gaelic. I'm going to say Gaelic. It's the Irish Gaelic, but at least there are some people who try to learn the Irish Gaelic. There are Irish Gaelic announcements on the buses, on the trains, and the government